Yeah, there we go. He's hooked himself. He's going to be very cross. Ah! Ah! There it is. Look at that big fish. Look at that, isn't that beautiful? Ooh. Good morning. Come on, Arnie. Heel. Heel. Oh no. No, that reminds me why I didn't get it out already. Got to get the net out from under all that. If you find like a pool, a deeper pool with a bit of tree cover where there could be a fish sitting, waiting for things to fall off the tree, or just sitting in the current. Sometimes they'll sit where there's like a dip in the riverbed. Sometimes they'll sit behind a rock. Oh, sorry. I'm just trying to find the shallowest route. I think this is it. Last time I took a change of socks. Getting a bit in the belly. I can feel it. All right, I think we're...
I'm very close to being overwhelmed.
Arnie, come on, this way. And then once you're... That's the worst bit. So take your time on that bit. Try and stay on the high rocks. But don't linger. I mean, this is just so lovely around here. Arnie's having a great time. So we're going to have to try and cross again at some point. This is where I crossed yesterday. It's a little bit higher today, to be honest.
Oh mate, I'm going to go.
Okay. Yeah, sorry Jim, I bit the dust there. I think there probably is a better way. Oh. But I didn't find it. That was it. See that? Strike. So I kind of get my line airborne back here. Thanks, mate. But I've got to keep the slack off it, otherwise when it gets hit. Yeah, I reckon change the lead. I'm going to change my fly. I've got stuck in the bushes over there, but unfortunately, let's see how much water I got on my wellies. I can't get them off. Yes. Oh dear. Let's try the other one. I think waders might be a good investment. There we are. Oops. Okay, back to fishing. So now we're going to try dry flies. Look at James's perfect little fly. No excuses now. All right, let me get the stick off mine, wherever that's gone. Just caught a gorgeous little brown trout on a dry fly. Here it is, Jim.
Oh, lovely.
Isn't that beautiful?
That is lovely.
There it is. Look
at that big fish.
Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? All right, let's get this little fella back in the river. There it goes. That's literally what they do. They sit there waiting for something to come over them. Yeah, there we go. See that? Yeah. Midges are on me. All right, let's see if we can get this fish in. Look at that beautiful little fish. Whoa. Back in you go, little friend. Not quite big enough. James, right here. See? Yeah, there. Get in there. Whoa. Jesus, there's a big hole behind me. See if we can film James catching his first wild trout. What? Can you get it? Oh. He's hooked himself. He's going to be very cross because he was already oh dear. That is basically, it happened to me every time I get excited and try and catch something. Either get it in a bush or on something. So that's normal. Pull in, pull in, pull in, pull in, pull in. Pull the line, pull the line, pull the line. Tight, 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 tight.
No, it's off.
Ah, yeah.
No, it's on!
You got one?
I've got one!
James has got one! Oh my gosh!
It's the smallest fish in the world.
Mate, it counts. He's caught one. Well, there you go, Jim. Make sure you take a picture of it.
It's off. I lost it.
No, that counts, that counts. You got it in. You got one. Onto a fish. Oh, looks nice. Pull the line in, pull. Another one. Keep pulling, you need to put a bend in the rod. Yeah, bring it in. This is the. Ah, he's got one over there. You can't see it from here. There he is. You got one, Jim?
It's tiny.
That counts, mate, it counts. Excellent. Now he's having fun. Right, I'm going to have to put this away and just try and catch some fish. Whoa, the sun is out. Don't need this warm hat. Glorious weather now. Oh, I think that's the top of the Munro up to the right. My goodness, this is brilliant. We've had lovely mornings fishing. Got loads of small brown trout. Really, really nice and tons of activity. And now, Arnie, come on. Now things have started to calm down. The sun's really come out. The fish activity has dropped off. We haven't had any bites in a while, so I think we're going to wander back, have some lunch. But yeah, unreal spot. Can I get that thing off? What's
Oh, I get a cramp. Not recording,
God, no. No one needs to see this.
I see the light flashing. Oh, there we go.
Oh, you've got a bit of a wet sock there, Jim.
Yes.
Oh my God. Oh, that's so funny. I'll come to the next sheet. Bit of river water, I think. Make it stay warm. These are going into a little bit of drying, I think.
Yeah.
Bit of drying time.
But my feet weren't cold.
No.
Like a wetsuit in there.
Honestly. Okay, shall we swim trunks?
Yeah, I would. Yeah, I thought the same thing.